If you don't have any money, I mean, if you don't have money, pata pata, no capital, nothing, and you're a student, stay at home mom, stay at home dad, or just anybody that is looking to get out of the funk of not having any money, then this video is for you, because I'm about to give you 5 small business ideas that you can start with little to absolutely no capital. Stay tuned. Number 1, small scale graphic designing. If you're watching this video, you probably have a smartphone and data. Guess what? That is all you need. These phones are machines if only we know how to work and drive them. So here's what you can do to be a graphic designer with no capital at all. What you're going to do is to go online and download Canva, CapCut, InShot, Leonardo AI, PixArt, as many apps as possible that you can use for designing anything. What can you do with this? For example, Canva can be used to design certificates, flyers, logos, presentations, portfolios, so many other things that you can't even think of them, but Canva can do them. Canva can also design YouTube thumbnails, and people make money out of that. Like YouTubers pay people to design thumbnails for their video. Do you understand? So you can download these things, go online, design stuff for people, and charge your little money here and there, and before you know it, you're already in business. Number 2, drop shipping. What is drop shipping? Drop shipping is basically being a middleman between the buyer and the seller. What do? You find someone who is looking for something. Say the person wants to buy a car, and you know the seller of the car, like a car dealer. You go there, you find out the price. This seller is selling his car for 1.3 million. You tell the buyer that the car is 1.5 million. The buyer gives you 1.5 million. You pay the buyer 1.3 million and you keep your 200k. That's what drop shipping is. You don't need a shop, you don't need anything. All you do is connect people. In fact, people don't even have to know that you are not the one that is selling. Your own is just to make sure that what your buyer is looking for, you provide. That is basically it. You're basically like an errand person, but it looks like you have a shop. You get the gist. A lot of people do drop shipping, trust me. Makeup vendors, shoe vendors, bag vendors, a lot of the sellers you see online are drop shipping. Wig vendors, they are mostly drop shipping, and it doesn't require you to have a shop. All you need is your phone and data. Now, for drop shipping, be careful not to be greedy. It can be like that. Someone will tell you that your product is 750k. You now charge 1.5 million. Why? You don't know the cost it took the other person to charge. You don't know what they're adding. You don't even know what their profit is. You are charging 750k on top, which means you want like 100% profit. That's like literally cheating and stealing and all the other bad things. We're trying to be honest business people, so try your best to not be greedy. Just charge a token so you can get your cut, and your buyer and your seller will be happy. The best part is you don't need a shop. Number 3, you can help students, public speakers, and coaches write their presentations or prepare their presentation slides. Believe it or not, people don't have time. Like, busy people don't really have time for the nitty-gritty. So they might just want someone to make the slides easy for them. They've already studied, but making the slides is another job. So you take that stress off of them. Prepare the slides. What can you use for this? Again, you can use Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also use Canva to design slides. You can basically just use all these applications, and all of them are available to be downloaded on your phone again. Number 4, video editing. Sometimes content creators also get very, very busy. In fact, they just create content, but sometimes it gets overwhelming trying to come and edit them in a fun way that makes the viewer experience very incredible. So what they do is they hire video editors. You might come and say, I don't know how to edit. That's what your free time is for. That is why you're supposed to develop yourself. You don't have money, you should have a skill. Do you understand? Try your best to learn something. Learn how to edit, learn how to prepare slides, learn how to design stuff on applications. People pay you because you know where to look, not because they don't know how to do it or they can't do it if they try. But you have already known where to look. Do you understand? So charge for being the person that knows where to look, how to do things efficiently. In fact, maybe the person that was editing their own content was using such hard applications that made their life harder, and you just have a phone, you have CapCut, you have InShot, and you can edit at the tip of your fingers quickly, and then you get your cool money from doing that. Why not do that? Do you understand? So don't say I don't know how to do. Now is your time to go and learn it. Now is the time. Number 5, and my last point, is content creation. Now don't even start thinking of platforms like Instagram or YouTube and like I've tried those apps, like they are not for me, or TikTok and the rest. They are all fun, but they are going to make you to spend so much money and so much data that you don't already have. In fact, if you don't have patience, endurance, you cannot do YouTube. Do you understand? Except if you're a famous person and you're going to get monetized immediately. But these are apps that can be used for long-term growth plan. But right now, we want sharp money. We want what we can use to eat today and tomorrow. Do you get? So what can you do as a content creator that will give you money as a small business owner or a startup? You can do you can snap product pictures. You can do user-generated content. It's called UGC content creation. What does that mean? You can find someone like a makeup brand or a hair brand, shoe brand, cake brand, whatever it is. Go there to their location or get their products and then make videos of them and tell people how to use them, or just snap them so that they can use, like snap professional pictures that they can use to sell. Believe it or not, people are in business but they don't know how to snap. Do you understand? So you that you have a smartphone, you have data, you are looking for work to do. Do the things that business owners don't know how to do for themselves. Be of a value. Be someone that adds value to somebody else. People will pay you for the value you provide. Do you understand? So don't even think about qualifications and everything. Do you need any qualification to know how to snap? No, you don't. So do your best to try and learn how to snap pictures, clear professional pictures. Why? Because you can give them to brands and these brands can put them up on their websites, and then the images will be appealing to customers and customers can now buy. Do you understand? So UGC content creation, this is part of it. Another part of content creation you can do is to make videos for brands. Like I said pictures before, now videos. There are celebrities, even regular people who, speakers, when they are going to events, they want someone to snap them, they want someone to video them while they are doing what it is that they love doing, and they want to use that as part of their portfolio to pitch to other brands as well. Your job is to be there, capture priceless moments. You can even, brides hire content creators now. Photographers will be snapping their own, content creator will be creating content for the gram as well. You could charge for that. Do you get? You can just make a niche for yourself, make a business for yourself, create a need for something. Do you understand? And then provide the value for the customer, and that is how you're going to make money without putting up any money. I know you'll be saying, but I need money for data. You are online, you are watching this video, you have data. Now that you have watched this video, what use is the information if you cannot make use of it? Do you understand? If you cannot implement it, this information is quite useless. So after watching this video, I want you to go and download the apps: Canva, InShot, CapCut, PixArt. Download all of them. I have a video showing you how to use these apps, and I'm going to put a link so you guys can go and check it out. But please, there's no excuse anymore. There's absolutely no excuse. So try and make the moves today. That brings us to the end of this video. I'm pretty sure I'm going to find more points and come back with a part 2 for this video. But please, part 2 will be of no use again if you don't make use of part 1. So please try and make use of it, because you literally need no capital to start any of these businesses. And I would like to see my people winning before the end of the year. So let's get downloading these apps and learning how to use them. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any more small business ideas that you can share with the group, please write them in the comment section below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if it was a tiny bit helpful to you, and you can also share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.